Exam for review. Question number 1. For each year t, the number of trees in a forest A is represented by the function a of t is equal to 113 times 1.015t. In a forest B, the number of trees is represented by the function b of t is equal to 89 times 1.025 raised to the t power. Which forest population is growing at a faster rate? So if you look at the base, you'll notice that the base for forest B is higher than the base for forest A, which means forest B grows at a faster rate. Because the B of forest B is greater than the base for forest A. That is the same as 0.25 is greater than 1.015. B, which forest had the greatest number of trees initially? So the initial value is this number, and notice that forest A has a greater initial value, so forest A. Which forest will have the greatest number of trees after 20 years? So we're going to substitute t equals 20, and we're going to compute a of 20, which is going to be 152.20, so approximately 152 trees. Forest B, so b of 20 is equal to 145.8, so forest A will have greater number of trees after 20 years. Which forest will have the greater number of trees after 30 years? So we're going to substitute T30. We're going to find A30 and B30. A30, if you plug T is equal to 30, you're going to get 176.6, and then B30, you're going to get 186.7, which makes forest B will have the greater
number of trees. So we'll have greater number of trees after 30 years.
Question number 2. Find an exponential equation of the form y equals ab to the x power that passes through the point 0 and 5 and 2 and 45. So this question can be given in different formats. Sometimes we say when x is equal to 0 and then f of 0 equals 5. And we say x is equal to 2 and then f of 2 is equal to 45. This means the same thing as given the points explicitly. So what we're going to do, we're going to use the first point, which is 0 and 5. And if we plug it into this function, we're going to get 5 equals ab to the 0 power, which will lead to 5 equals to ab to the 0 is equal to 1. So a times 1 is a. So a is equal to 5. Now we're going to use the other point, which is 2 and 45. And that will lead to 45 equals a is 5. So we're going to replace it b to the second power. So now we're going to divide both sides by 5. You will get b squared equals 9. And now you're going to say b is equal to positive 3, because we can't take the negative because the base must be positive. So the function f of x or y equals a is 5 and then b is 3 to the x power is the equation that results from that.